Tragedy
Spencer
has
Pratt
struck
is
for
pulling
Spencer
back the
Pratt
curtain
and
on
Heidi
how much
Montag
money he's made
the
from
couple
TikTok.
faces the loss
In
of
an
their
interview
home
with
to
Variety
Los
published
Angeles
on
due to the
January
growing
17th,
threat of the blaze,
the Hills star,
while they safely
who
made it
tragically
out with their
lost his home
family,
in the
their
Pacific
home sadly did
Palisades
not
due to the
survive.
devastating
In a
Los
Snapchat
Angeles
video
wildfires,
shared with his followers,
shared how
Spencer
TikTok
revealed
has
the
helped him and
heartbreaking
his
news.
wife,
Our
Heidi
house, so
Montag,
please say some
rebuilt their
prayers for
lives.
us.
Spencer revealed the financial impact of the platform, saying, "I made like $4,000 on TikTok this week." Confirmed the evacuation in a TikTok video earlier directly. Also shared her heartbreak in an Instagram story, writing, "So I am beyond heartbroken for my brother Heidi. He expressed his gratitude and for all our friends and neighbors who have lost their houses today." That's the power of real people backing you and getting behind you. He tried to save my brother's house. It's incredible when you don't have to rely on ads, there was nothing he could do. Algorithms. Stephanie confirmed that their parents had evacuated safely. It's unbelievable, but we're left watching the fire advance toward their own home. It also reignited interest. Earlier in the day, over 30,000 Southern California residents were ordered to evacuate as cities and state officials despite the life-threatening winds. Spencer remains uncertain about the monetary impact, which has already consumed. I have no idea how much money the music has made, but everyone keeps telling me not to expect much. Still, he's more focused on the opportunities this resurgence could bring, saying, "I'm excited about the energy and as the couple faces the loss of their home. The music business is all about touring due to the growing threat of the blaze and everything that comes with it. While they safely made it out unless you're doing billions of streams, sadly the money just isn't there yet." In a Snapchat video shared with his followers, Spencer is optimistic about the heartbreaking news, declaring, energetically, "I'm pushing Heidi Montag as the only way to get through all of this.